CE Group has developed and produced a series of powerful double planetary dispensing mixers, which have the CE certificates for EU market, and in line with ATEX explosion-proof requirements. Entering with guide wheels, together with stop limit, the mixing tank can be located accurately in 360-degree direction and with position signal output. Hydraulic locking device for the mixing tank is also optional, which is also with signal output. The machine adopts double-column hydraulic lifting design, stable and reliable. It outputs position signal automatically when it is in place. The planet rotating parts are level 6 precision hardened gears with low noise and high transmission efficiency. Independent bearing housing for the high-speed disperser makes it with good strength, high precision, stable operation, and easy maintenance. Precision cast agitator can be made of different materials. It is processed and formed by 5-axis machining center at one time with good strength and high precision, effectively ensuring the clearance between the agitator and the agitator and the tank wall, and the agitator and the tank bottom. The specially designed non-repeating motion orbit of the mixing agitator makes the mixing without any dead angle. The mixing system consists of low-speed agitator and high-speed disperser. They revolve and rotate at the same time, generating strong dispersion, shearing, mixing, and netting effect during operation, so as to produce high-quality slurry. The equipment adopts heavy-duty design suitable for mixing slurry with medium and high viscosity. The maximum viscosity can up to 10 million millipascal. Second, and the maximum solid content can be up to 90%. CE Group provides a full range of products with a processing capacity of 2,000 to 3,000 liters. The mixing tank with external coil jacket for heating or cooling. The cooling heating source flow along the spiral structure to have more uniform temperature conduction and higher heat exchange efficiency. The top entering temperature sensor, revolving together with the agitators, go deep to the materials and measure materials temperature at multi-points so the temperature measurement results are more accurate. The sealing effect of the whole machine is extremely high. Equipped with vacuum system, the vacuum degree in the tank can reach 20 millibar, and unique designed cone cover are with reasonable opening layout, equipped with cleaning spray system to make it more convenient to use. CE Group can provide users with a variety of agitator combination solutions to meet more strict mixing process requirements. After mixing, tank moves out of the mixer and to the extrusion machine along the track. The ready slurry discharged through the extrusion machine. The tank outlet can connect to the filling machine or do direct filling to the big drum after lifting the tank up on the extrusion machine. Then, the empty tank moves to the turning table. The tank rotates and moves to the tank washing position. The automatic tank washing machine will do thorough cleaning of the tank without any dead angle. And the clean tank moves to the waiting station for the next mixing batch. The equipment adopts human-machine interface, PLC control system. Connected with batching system, it can input formula, set processing parameters, and start automatic batching with one button. Connected with the mesh system, it can collect and transmit data automatically. Users can select a positive pressure air conditioning control cabinet according to their needs, which can prevent dust from entering. Ensure the temperature in the cabinet is within 25 to 30 degrees Celsius when it is in operation, and extend its service life.